friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making this simple Indian traditional masala chai. This recipe is really easy to make, really simple, doesn't take a lot of time, and you get to express your culture through food. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! For today's recipe, the ingredients may differ a little bit, as loads of people would have different tastes and would want different flavours. So you can always change the ratios, but these are the ones that we normally use and would like to share with you today. Let's have a look. For today's recipe, you'll be using loose tea, crushed cardamom, some chai masala which you can buy or make at home, sugar, green tea which is chopped and washed, ginger, water and milk. As you can see, there isn't a lot of ingredients, but it's the way that we express the true flavours through it and put them together. This will make it a nice unique recipe. So first we're going to add water along with our loose tea, crushed cardamom and chai masala. These three ingredients will add the most flavour and will give a nice punch to it. This adds from the traditional side. Then a bit of sugar and green tea. The next ingredient for us is a very important ingredient, as ginger is really healthy, it has loads of benefits and can add in a lot of flavour. So we're just going to let this cook for around 5 minutes once it's got a nice boil. Then we're going to add in our milk and let this boil again until you can see that it's got a nice deep chai colour. This will be for around another 10 minutes. But you're going to have to keep stirring it. So once you've got this, you can turn the flame off as our chai is ready. And then we're going to use a filter and take it out into a teapot. You could filter it straight into a cup, but this will keep the chai warm. This recipe is now finished and ready to enjoy. You could enjoy this with loads of different things, for example biscuits, onion bhaji, or even just toast with some butter on. We love chai because it goes with every recipe and you can have it throughout the day. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Bye for now, thanks for watching, happy cooking!